picked up these Warrior brand hole saws. There's been a few times that I've needed some bigger sized hole saws, and so I decided to go ahead and buy some. I'm not going to use them a whole lot, but when you need them, you need them. So this is the 3-piece by Warrior. You've got a 3-inch hole saw, a 4-inch hole saw, and a 4 1/4 inch. So look at that up close. 3-piece bimetal, so metal, wood, and plastic. 3-inch, 4-inch, and 4 1/4 inch by Warrior. And then, of course, the mandrel 1/4 by 3-inch pilot bit. So we'll get those unpackaged and put it together. There they are out of the package, and I'm sure no one will disagree that those theft-proof packages suck to get stuff out of. So anyway, they got a plastic pin in the middle, so they're actually screwed on there. So, I mean, that's kind of neat for keeping them together. And all it is just a little plastic. Basically takes the place of the mandrel. So, I'll keep that. And that way I can kind of keep these together. At least 2 of them at a time. I'll probably have one attached to a mandrel, ready to go. Probably the 3-inch. So, screw that down, and that lets your pins drop down. And you screw your hole saw. Screw it onto the mandrel, and then you turn it back until your pins line up. Then you screw that back up. So now your pins are in place. It's just hand tight. And you're ready to drill. There you go. Warrior brand from Harbor Freight. Seems like it's pretty decent quality. I mean, just looking at it, it doesn't look a whole lot different than my more expensive brand. So we'll put these to the test, and after I get a chance to use them, I will put in the comments an update on how it performs and how well they're holding up. Thanks for watching, guys.